We have 4 ideas for you to make your dry content interesting in your e-learning.
We are e-learning partners.
We got a masterclass for you, linked right below this video. Check it out, all about helping you have. By taking our masterclass, you guarantee the success of your e-learning program because you are going to learn how to focus on the most important part of e-learning. So go sign up for our masterclass and we'll see you there.
The first thing that you got to do to make your dry content interesting is ask your learners. What we say here, what we always say is it's always about the learner. You got to ask them, what are their biggest challenges? How are they trying to grow? What styles, what type of content do you need to create that will truly engage with them? If you just create content and do the hope and pray strategy, good luck. It's not going to work. You got to make it about your learners. So ask your learners every single time what they think about the content, how they like the content, how to structure the content. They're going to tell you the answer.
Next, you're going to look at how you can create micro-learning content.
Got to make it digestible, baby.
Learners don't want long-form content anymore. Nobody's got time for that. So micro-learning content, what does micro-learning mean? We have a whole video about it and a whole playlist to help you create stellar micro-learning content for your learners. But in general, as Hector said, it's digestible and it is action-based. So
we have a whole micro-learning about micro-learning.
Action-based. And what do we mean by action-based? This means that every single module, so microlearning breaks up your content into modules, every single module needs to create action.
Action.
The third thing is video content. So
like this, we're making a video for you on YouTube. Thank you, YouTube.
Here's the reality. Even the driest PowerPoints can be livened up if you get 2 guys like us to present them.
Absolutely. It's all about putting that salt and pepper on that chicken. You know what I'm saying?
People like video. People like YouTube.
Some spice. They need some flavor, my friends.
And
they don't
people
want something
like
bland.
TikTok. So if people are spending most of their time on YouTube and TikTok, why would you not have your content be interesting by being video, which is the primary type of media that is on YouTube and TikTok?
Another big one is shorts too. YouTube shorts. We're on YouTube right now. You probably see shorts. Write shorts down there, Johnny, because it is
I got shorts on right now.
I got shorts on right now too. All right, the fourth and final thing is to have multiple subject matter experts teaching the content. Look, Johnny and I are living examples of that. Don't get me wrong. If Johnny were to do it on his own, or I was to do it on my own,
I'm decent by myself.
It would be a lot of fun. It would
but
be
I'm
a great
not
time.
as good.
You would engage, but when you have 2 people, you have different personas, characteristics. There's more fun. People think of ideas. Things are happening all the time. So it's just more engaging.
And you
it's more
get
fun.
different perspectives. So when you're looking at like an e-learning, not just the video even, if you're hearing from multiple subject matter experts, it actually creates more credibility. So the 2 points here are entertainment value and credibility.
Entertainment and credibility. It is great. Look at this, right? You know, I could even look at Johnny and say, you know what, Johnny, I disagree with that. I agree with it, but I could say I can disagree with it.
Well, I disagree with you agreeing.
Oh, well, would you look at that, catch 23.
So we have a recommendation for you. Now, if you want to learn more about how to ask your learners and how to build out your curriculum so you are guaranteed success for your e-learning program every time, check out our masterclass linked right below the video. Sign up for free. All you have to do is sign up with your email and you get access to our free masterclass. We also have a video recommendation for you. The 5 types of content to make your training video kick-ass. Go check that out.
And thank you so much for the likes and the subscribes.